We planned a trip inside a trip. Very nice one. Stay tuned and watch. Hey guys, we are here in the airport, in Mehrabat airport in Tehran. This is the airport that they use for domestic flights. My husband is here. I made him fly with an Iranian airline. Are you stressed?
Just a little bit stressed.
Hey KJ.
Hey.
0 to 10, what is your stress level?
Am I really that stressed? No problem. It's just
Just
regular
give
thing. I'm
me
from
number.
Nigeria, so
Yeah, 0 to 10, what is the number?
it's 9.
9?
9.
You're
That's good to
that
stress.
much stress.
No, not that.
So 0
Let us
to
say
10.
5.
5. I'm 8. I'm stressed. It's been long that I fly with an Iranian airline. You know, we are under sanction. Our airplanes are old and we maintain them. We have amazing pilots, but the airplanes are old. So I'm a bit stressed, and it's been long that I flew in Iran. I used to fly a lot because my dad is a traveler and he raised me to be a traveler too. So when we were young, we used to travel all over Iran, and we used a lot of airlines to travel all around, and we have a very big country. So it's nothing new for me, but after I had KJ, after I give birth, it's really difficult for me taking flight. Like we went to Antalya, I was so scared. When we flew to Iran, I was about to die. Like, you remember how tense I was, right?
Yeah.
When we
She's
flew
always
here.
scared of everything.
I was so scared. I wanted to shout.
Mm.
And because the weather of Istanbul that day was very foggy. Like when we were on the runway, a big airplane just can appear into your face. You could not see anywhere. On the road when we were coming with the taxi, I couldn't film because KJ was sleeping. You could not see anything in the road. Like I was scared in the taxi till we get to airport. I was scared till we took off and we moved above the fogs and landing too. Like I'm just scared all the time. Before I used to take flight like 15 hours fly from Thailand to Turkey, Thailand to Georgia, Thailand to Iran. Long flights, different airlines to Malaysia, back to Iran, Oman, everywhere. And I was never scared like this at all. And I used to travel alone. But being a mother is different. Motherhood has changed me. So guys, stay tuned and see where we are going. Deba, how is your experience here in the airport?
Yes, nice.
Is it smooth, huh?
Yeah,
Because this is small.
Yes, small
airport.
domestic airports. Maybe most people don't use free. What should I get free? Only flights do take off here all the time, so there's never been any. Let's take that off your mind.
Stressed.
No problem. We'll get to our destination safely. It's no problem.
Amen to that. KJ is tired already.
See, I come like
Kish Island. Stay tuned to see how Kish looks like. KJ is very tired and sleepy, that's why he's shouting.
توجه داشته باشید که کشیدن سیگار و انواع سیگار تکنولوژی در تمام طول هواپیما ممنوع میباشد. ضمناً از بانوان محترم سواری کشاورز به منظور احترام به ارزش‌ها و اصول اخلاقی نجات و پوشش اسلامی‌ها پست نمایید. شما میبایست ابتدا از ماسک خود استفاده نموده و سپس از ماسک‌های دیگر برای افراد تحت مراقبت استفاده نمایید. If the cabin pressure changes suddenly, an oxygen mask will automatically drop from the compartment above your head. Immediately pull the mask sharply towards you. Place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth and secure elastic band. هواپیما کارت مخصوصی در جیب جلوی صندلی شما قرار دارد. لطفاً آن را مطلع فرمایید و از هواپیما خارج ننمایید. And the seatbelt signs has been switched off. On behalf of this flight, we wish you a pleasant stay and hope to see you again in the future flights of PARS AIRLINE. Thank you and goodbye.
خانم آقایان به فرودگاه جزیره کیش خوش آمدید. جهت اطلاع شما دمای هوا 22 درجه سانتیگراد میباشد. متشکرم. خدا نگهدار.
Hello guys,
Hi.
we're in Kish Island. Hello guys.
KJ is saying hello. How you see the airport? It looks nicer. Yeah, it looks nicer than IKA, the Tehran International Airport.
Yeah, this one's more recent.
No, this one is older than IKA, I think. But like the sprit is higher, it look nicer.
Guys, we're in Kish Island.
Kish Island, yeah. The airport is really nice and clean, right?
Very nice and clean.
It's international standard.
So let the fun begin.
Yes.
So nice. What do you say? Enya, are you happy? Yeah, he's very happy. How you find it, baby? You like the hotel that I got for us? It looks nice. LA vibes, Los Angeles vibes.
Yeah, LA in Iran. See how happy KJ is.
I'm telling you, we're both happy.
Your
KJ, you love this
welcome
way?
drink is here
It looks
too.
tropical. I'll show you. Say hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi. He said this. Hi, Salam. Okay, guys. We are here. We have reached to Kish Island, and I want to show you where we are staying at the moment. I want to show you our room. And ta-da!